In this video, you will learn the meaning of matrix, how to add and subtract matrices. In mathematics, a matrix is a rectangular array of numbers, not just numbers alone, but letters, symbols, elements, and so on, arranged in rows and columns. Examples of matrices. A is an example of matrix which comprises of the elements A, B, C, and D. B is an example of matrix which comprises of the elements M, N, O, P, X, and Y. C is an example of matrix which comprises of the elements 7 and 9. In matrix A, we can see that it has only 4 elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Matrix B have only 6 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And matrix C have only 2 elements 1 and 2. There is a way we can differentiate these matrices, and we do this by naming the matrices. This is how we name matrices. How many horizontal lines can you draw in matrix A? You can draw 1, 2. You can draw 2 horizontal lines in this matrix. And how many vertical lines can you draw in this matrix? So, the number of horizontal lines represent the number of rows. So, in this matrix, we have 2 rows. The vertical line represents the number of columns. So, in this matrix, we have 2 columns. Therefore, this is called a 2 by 2 matrix. Look at matrix B. It have how many rows? 1, 2, 3. So matrix B have 3 rows. And how many columns? 1, 2. It have 2 columns. Therefore, matrix B is a 3 by 2 matrix. Matrix C, how many rows does it have? 1. So 1 row for matrix C. And how many columns do matrix C have? 1, 2. So matrix C have 2 columns. Therefore, it is called a 1 by 2 matrix. Let's take some examples. Here we have 3 matrices: matrix A, matrix B, and matrix C. Matrix A comprises of the elements 2, 7, 9, and 4. Matrix B comprises of the elements 1, -3, 1, and 6. And matrix C comprises of the elements 7, 4, 8, and 7. This is how we add matrices. A plus B. So, 2 plus 1 gives us what? 3. 7 plus -3 gives us what? 7 minus 3, which gives us 4. 9 plus 1 gives us what? 10. And 4 plus 6 gives us what? 10. So when we add matrix A to matrix B, we are going to have a new matrix, which is 3, 4, 10, and 10 are the members or the elements in the new matrix. Let's take the second example. A plus C. So we want to add matrix A to matrix C. Look at the way we do it. 2 plus 7 gives us what? 9. 7 plus 4 gives us what? 11. 9 plus 8 gives us what? 17. And 4 plus 7 gives us what? 11. So when you add matrix A to matrix C, you are going to have a new matrix which comprises of the elements 9, 11, 17, and 11. We want to subtract matrix C from matrix B. So B minus C, B minus C. 1 minus 6 gives us what? Minus 6. Sorry. 1 minus 7 gives us minus 6. Minus 3 minus 4 gives us what? Minus 7. 1 minus 8 gives us what? Minus 7. And 6 minus 7 gives us what? Minus 1. So this is the new matrix you will get when you subtract C from B. Now we want to do this number 4. We want to add A to B and then subtract C from the result. So from here we already know that A plus B gives us this matrix 3, 4, 10, and 10. So we want to do this minus C. So 3 minus 7 gives us what? Minus 4. 4 minus 4 gives us what? 0. 10 minus 8 gives us what? 2. And 10 minus 7 gives us what? 3. Notice that matrix A is a 2 by 2 matrix, matrix B is a 2 by 2 matrix, and matrix C is a 2 by 2 matrix. Generally in matrices, you can only add or subtract if the matrices are equal. Okay guys, hope the video was useful. Comment what you love to see next. See you in the next video.